Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this quick and easy flash zoom effect in Premiere Pro. Make the cut in the clip where you want the effect to start. Hold Alt or Option key to duplicate a clip. The duplicated clip should be between 15 to 20 frames long. When you have it, go to the start of the duplicated clip. Now scale the duplicated clip. You can also adjust the position however you like. Turn on opacity and set it to 0. Then move 3 frames forward and set the value to 100. Now move the playhead back to the beginning of the duplicated clip, then go 2 frames back. Add an adjustment layer and confirm it. Drag it onto the timeline and make it around 12 frames long, then delete the rest. Now move the playhead back to the beginning and we can start adding the effects one by one. On the adjustment layer, add brightness and contrast. At the beginning, enable both brightness and contrast. Then move 2 frames forward and set brightness to 100 and contrast to 85. After another 8 frames, set both values back to 0. Let's go back to the beginning and add Gaussian blur. Change the blur dimensions to horizontal, then set the blurriness to 150. Move 4 frames forward and set the blurriness back to 0. And that's it for the basic effect. If you want to make it even more dynamic and give it that extra hit, you can add a fast movement or any shake effect you like. You can also check out my preset packs if you want to speed up your workflow. And that's it for today. See you in the next one.